Imagine needing an AED in an emergency, only to find out it doesn't work. A non-functional AED is as good as having no AED at all. That's why proper maintenance is just as important as having the device itself. Today, we're walking through a simple AED maintenance checklist to keep your device in peak working condition so that it's always ready when needed most. AEDs are designed to be easy to use and reliable, but like any medical equipment, they require routine maintenance. A poorly maintained AED may fail in an emergency, putting lives at risk. Regular checks ensure the device functions properly, meets manufacturer guidelines, and remains compliant with local regulations. To keep your AED in top condition, follow this maintenance checklist. First, perform a visual inspection. Check the AED's exterior for any visible damage. Make sure the electrode pads are sealed, intact, and not expired. Confirm that all necessary accessories, such as extra pads and batteries, are present. Next, check the battery. Look at the AED's status indicator to ensure the battery is functioning. Replace the battery according to the manufacturer's schedule or when the device signals low power. Keeping a spare battery on hand is always a good idea. Monitor electrode pad expiration. Electrode pads have expiration dates and must be replaced accordingly. If the AED has been used in an emergency, replace the pad immediately. Verify self-tests. Most modern AEDs perform automatic self-tests to check functionality. Check the device's indicator light or screen to confirm that it has passed its most recent test. If the AED signals an error, consult the manual or contact the manufacturer for troubleshooting. Stay updated on software and firmware. Manufacturers occasionally release updates to improve functionality or meet new regulations. Check periodically for updates and install them as needed. Ensure proper storage. Keep the AED in a dry, accessible location. Avoid exposure to extreme temperatures or moisture, which can affect performance. Make sure it's stored where it can be quickly retrieved in an emergency. Troubleshoot AED issues. If the AED displays an error message, refer to the manufacturer's manual for guidance. If issues persist, contact the manufacturer or a certified service provider for assistance. So, how long do AEDs last? Most AEDs have a lifespan of 8 to 10 years, but this can vary by manufacturer and usage. Signs that an AED may need replacement include frequent maintenance alerts or error messages, expired or discontinued replacement parts, or a manufacturer recall or upgrade recommendation. Regular AED maintenance is crucial to ensuring your device is always ready to save a life. Following this simple checklist will help keep your AED in optimal condition, giving you confidence that it will work when it matters most. Take action today. Check your AED, replace expired components, and ensure you have a fully functional device when an emergency happens. If your facility, home, or workplace needs an AED, visit AED.us or call 888-652-1882 to find the right life-saving device.